Publishing your Printify products to an online store is a straightforward process that allows you to sell custom print-on-demand items. Here's how to do it. Set up your Printify account. If you haven't already, go to printify.com and create an account. Log in to access the dashboard. Choose your products. Click on Product Templates and select Add Product. Browse through the categories to find the item you want to sell. Customize your product. Use Printify's design tools to upload your artwork or create a design using their graphics and text features. Ensure your design meets the recommended dimensions and quality standards. Fill in product details. Once you're satisfied with your design, fill in the product details such as title, description, pricing, and tags. Make sure to optimize the description with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Publish to your store. Select the e-commerce platform you want to connect. Click Publish and follow the prompts to integrate your products with your store. Check your store. After publishing, visit your online store to ensure the product appears correctly.